Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's a beautiful sunny day. I'm just going along Avenida Alfonso de Puigcerdas. Just going past the Hotel Joya. She's just there. We got a kebab shop there, the new Naranjo. Domino's Pizza, just there. Hip bird there. Now closed, of course, because it is Easter Monday. They would have been open this morning and then shut about 2:30, 3 o'clock. No, actually, they were shut today. So, that's a surprise. I know that the supermarket next door, Cash Economy, was open this morning. Got McDonald's there. Do you like McDonald's? Or aren't you that fussed? If you're enjoying these videos, please make sure that you hit the like, hit share as well, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You'll be surprised how many people actually watch the channel but aren't actually subscribed. And of course, make sure that you've hit that notification bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload more great content, because heaven forbid that you ever miss any video that I upload, guys. Lots of new content coming your way, so make sure that you're watching. Some nice little bars along here as well. Nice little local bars. Got Bar El Aperitivo there. And the Tapas bar closed at the moment, having a bit of a clean. So guys, thanks for watching the videos. Please make sure that you hit the like, hit that share button and hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.